Greetings, curious minds! Today, we embark on a captivating journey through the microscopic realms, exploring the intricacies that set prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells apart. Picture this as a molecular adventure, where cells are the protagonists, and their differences are the plot twists that make biology fascinating. Let's start our expedition with the Nucleus Chronicles. In the prokaryotic realm, there's a wild dance of genetic material. No nucleus to contain it, just a cytoplasmic fiesta. Imagine a bustling town without a city hall, where the DNA roams freely, orchestrating the cellular affairs in a chaotic yet efficient manner. Now, let's teleport to the eukaryotic utopia. Here, we encounter the majestic nucleus, a true command center. It's like the brain of the operation, securely housing the genetic instructions in a gated community. Picture a bustling city with a central intelligence hub, coordinating and directing the cellular symphony. Moving on to architectural wonders, organelles unveiled. Prokaryotic cells keep it minimal, no fancy rooms, just a basic setup. They are the Spartan warriors of the cellular world, relying on simplicity and efficiency. It's like a streamlined studio apartment where everything happens in one room. Contrastingly, eukaryotic cells are the luxury estates of the biological world. Picture a mansion with rooms upon rooms, each organelle a specialized compartment with its unique function. From the elegant endoplasmic reticulum to the powerhouse mitochondria, it's a cellular mansion with a place for everything and everything in its place. In the size matters district, prokaryotic cells take the crown for compact elegance. They are the tiny powerhouses, the David to the eukaryotic Goliath. Imagine the efficiency of a compact car cruising through the microscopic streets, swiftly maneuvering through the cellular landscape. Eukaryotic cells, on the other hand, are the architectural giants. They boast a size that allows for complexity and specialization. Picture a sprawling metropolis, where each skyscraper represents a different organelle, towering over the microscopic skyline. Now, let's venture into the Fortified Walls, cell security. Prokaryotic cells, the pioneers, equip themselves with sturdy cell walls. It's like a fortress defending against the elements, a rugged shield made of peptidoglycan standing guard. Eukaryotic cells also appreciate security, but with a touch of sophistication. Plant cells flaunt a cellulose armor, while fungal counterparts opt for the chic chitin. It's a stylish defense mechanism, like a high-end security system protecting the cellular treasures within. In molecular messengers, flagella and cilia, prokaryotic cells keep it simple with a single, often whip-like flagellum propelling them forward. Picture a lone warrior charging into battle with a single, determined stride. Eukaryotic cells are the graceful dancers of the microscopic ball. Some sport multiple cilia, delicate hairs swaying in unison, creating a mesmerizing waltz through the cellular ballet. It's like a synchronized performance, propelling the cell with elegance and finesse. Transitioning to power play, mitochondria and energy tales. Prokaryotic cells rely on their resilience, employing various strategies for energy production, be it aerobic or anaerobic. It's like a survivalist's guide to energy, adaptability in the face of diverse conditions. Eukaryotic cells, however, boast the powerhouses of energy production, the mitochondria. Imagine a bustling power plant within the cellular city, tirelessly generating energy in the form of ATP, the currency of the cellular world. It's the beating heart of the eukaryotic domain. In the transportation hubs, endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi complex sector, prokaryotic cells navigate the cellular highways with simplicity. No frills, just the basic roads for protein transportation, a direct route from production to destination. Eukaryotic cells, being the logistical maestros, have a complex network of endoplasmic reticulum, the highways, and Golgi apparatus, the distribution centers. It's like a cellular Amazon, with a sophisticated supply chain ensuring that proteins reach their designated locations with precision and efficiency. In our final chapter, let's delve into the cellular memory lane, reproduction and evolution. Prokaryotic cells, the seasoned time travelers, engage in the ancient art of binary fission. Picture a cell dividing into two, a timeless ritual of duplication and perpetuation, akin to passing down the ancestral torch through the generations. Eukaryotic cells, however, have mastered the intricacies of mitosis and meiosis. It's like a grand ballet of genetic material, with chromosomes gracefully pirouetting, ensuring the faithful transmission of information from one cellular generation to the next. Evolutionary innovation unfolds, weaving the tale of life's continuous dance through time. Let's now stroll through the serene gardens of botanical marvels, vacuoles and chloroplasts. Prokaryotic cells may lack the grandeur of centralized vacuoles, but they have a charm in their simplicity. Picture miniature storage closets, essential for maintaining the cell's internal balance. Eukaryotic plant cells, however, boast the botanical wonders of central vacuoles. It's like having a secret garden within the cellular walls, a reservoir for nutrients, waste management, and structural support. Chloroplasts join the party, capturing sunlight and orchestrating the elegant dance of photosynthesis, painting the cellular canvas green. As we reach the grand finale, consider the symphony of complexity, cytoskeleton and life's ballet. Prokaryotic cells, the minimalist poets, may have a simple cytoskeleton, a basic structural framework. Imagine a graceful dancer with minimal attire, expressing beauty in simplicity. Eukaryotic cells, the maestros of complexity, feature an intricate cytoskeletal orchestra. Microtubules, microfilaments, and intermediate filaments join hands in a harmonious ballet, providing structural support, facilitating intracellular transport, and orchestrating cell division. It's like a grand ballroom dance where every movement is meticulously choreographed. In closing, dear seekers of knowledge, our expedition through the realms of prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells unveils the enchanting tapestry of life's diversity. As you reflect on the cellular wonders we've explored, remember that within each microscopic entity lies a world of complexity, resilience, and poetic beauty. May your passion for understanding the microscopic wonders be a guiding light in your academic journey. As you navigate the scientific landscapes, embrace the intricacies, celebrate the differences, and let the curiosity within you continue to spark new questions and discoveries. The cellular saga awaits, and your role as a seeker of knowledge unfolds. Happy exploring!
Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel and ringing the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future content. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to share more exciting videos with you.